Again, look at here. AB and CD. AB and CD are two intersecting lines as shown in the figure. AB and CD. AB and CD are two intersecting lines as shown in the figure. If angle AOC 50, angle POB 90, POB 90, find angle POC and POD, POC and POD. Okay, here, figure is here. A, B, P, O, this is 50, this angle 90. Okay, here C here, D here. Okay, try now. Okay, this is a question. Listen here. Question. AB and CD are two intersecting lines as shown in the figure. AB and CD are two intersecting lines as shown in the figure. If angle AOC 50, this angle 50, POB 90, this is 90. Find angle POC and POD. Okay, find out now. Okay, clear now question? Okay, getting on not? Look, first what you have to find out angle. First of all, we have to find out angle POC. Okay, this one 90, so this full 90. So 50 here, this is what 40. Okay, this already 90. Then how much this one? 50. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle AOC, angle POC is 40 and POD is 90 plus 50, that is 140. All got. Okay. The new guy, Abraham John, are you okay now? Okay, yeah, once we try yourself, then if not getting, we'll discuss it. Okay, yeah, you forward that questions. Okay, so next question, right? Two supplementary angles differ by, we did this one anyway. Two supplementary angles, next question. Two supplementary angles. This one, because last class we discussed from Oswald and this is a new book now. Okay, this is the book. Anyone have this book? Okay. Two supplementary angles differ by. Two supplementary angles differ by 23. Two supplementary angles differ by 23. Two supplementary angles differ by 23. Okay, find the angles. Two supplementary angles differ by 23. Find the angles. Okay, find out. Two supplementary angles differ by 23. One is X, next one is what? x plus 23 or x minus 23, both are correct. Okay, right. First angle is not 23 minus x. How you know 23 minus x? First angle is x. Second angle is x minus 23 or x plus 23. Both are no problem. Okay. X comma and x plus 23. So x plus 23 plus x equal to 180. So find out. Listen, supplementary angle means, Sad, are you getting or not? So Sad, no idea what is the alternate angles and all. The sum is 180, then you can find out, right? Okay, what's the answer? This is answer is what? 2x equal to 180 minus 23. 180 minus 23, how much? 2x equal to 180 minus 23. How much that? 157. So x is how much? 157 divided by 2. 78.5 and 101.5. Right? Okay. So next one. Right. In figure, next question. In figure, this is today's class a revision class only. Okay. In figure AO perpendicular to OB. In figure AOB perpendicular to OB. This angle 90 degree. Okay, this is 2x minus 5. This is x minus 10. Okay. Find angle AOC. Find angle AOC and BOC. 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 Question is what? In figure, AO perpendicular to OB. AO perpendicular to OB. This one 2x minus 5, x minus 10. Find AOC and BOC. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, 65 and 25, right? X equal to 35. You understood now how you get this one? This one here, 2x minus 5 plus x minus 10 equal to 90. So 3x minus 15 equal to 90. 3x equal to 115. X equal to 35. So you can find it, right? Anyone doubt? Hello. Answer is 65 and 25. Anyone have doubt? Okay. Next, if it's finished or not finished, okay. If 3x minus 15, if 3x minus 15, if 3x minus 15, if 3x minus 15, 105, yes, 105, okay. 3x minus, if 3x minus, if 3x minus 15 and x plus 5, 3x minus 15, 3x minus 15 and x plus 5, and x plus 5 are complementary angles, are complementary angles, are complementary angles. Find the angles. 3x, 3x, 3x minus 15 and x plus 5 are complementary angles. Find the angles. Find the angles. Okay, try now. 3x minus 15 and x plus 5 are complementary angles. Find the angles. Find the angles. Okay, try now. Okay, try first. Okay, answer is what? 60 and 60 and 60. What's the answer? You got x equal to 25 and 60 and 30. 60 and 30. Okay, finish all. So next one. In figure, this one we did. Anyway, I'm doing again. In figure, if angle PQR, if angle PQR, in figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. PQR in figure, angle PQR equal to PRT. PQR equal to PRQ. These two angles are equal. Prove that PQS equal to PRT. PQS equal to PRT. PQS equal to PRT. Okay, try this one. In figure, listen, in figure, angle PQR equal to PRQ. Prove that angle PQS equal to PRT. PQS equal to PRT. PQS equal to PRT. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay. All finish. You did this question here. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that angle 2 equal to angle 3, number 1. Angle 1 plus angle 2, 180, number 2. Angle 3 plus angle 4, also 180, number 3. Here 180, here 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. 2 and 3 cancel. So 1 equal to 4. 1 equal to 4. Okay. We did, correct or not? You did this question. Okay. Okay. So next question. So next one, right? Next one is star question. Okay, you try yourself. Okay. In figure, in figure, angle 3 and 4, angle 3, right? In figure, angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are exterior angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Of quadrilateral ABCD. At point D and B. At points D and B. At points D and B. At points D and B. Okay. Then angle A equal to angle A equal to angle 2, angle C equal to angle 1. Prove that angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, figure is here. A, B, C, D. Here 1, here 2, this is 3, here is 4. Okay, this is a figure. Okay, this is a star question. Listen, once again I'll read. In figure, 3 and 4 are exterior angles. 3 and 4 exterior angles of quadrilateral ABCD at point D and B respectively. A, angle 2, angle C, angle 1. Prove that 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, try now. 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, try now. I don't know. You try yourself. Whether you construct or up to you. Okay, that is up to you. You can do it. Okay, you try yourself. My concern is only thing is 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Three plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Okay. Okay, up to you. You got the answer, no problem. Okay. Everybody got this one? You go once again. This is the exterior angle. This is also exterior angle. This angle 1. This is 2. You are sure that 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, one guy got. Anybody others got? Hey, what sure? You should get 3 plus. It's a proof question. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That is the question. Okay, look at here. I'll show now. Okay, listen here. I'm showing now. Look, it's a simple. Look at here. This angle 180 minus angle 3. This is 180 minus angle 4, right? Correct or no? This one 180 minus angle 3. This 180 minus angle 4. So then, look, angle 2 plus you can see no angle 2. Okay, angle 2 plus 180 minus angle 4 plus angle 1 plus 180 minus angle 3 equal to 360, right? Cancel all because 360, 360. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Very simple. Look, 4-mark question. Okay. This is the shortest method. Okay. This is 180 minus angle 4. This is 180 minus angle 3. Add all, you'll get 360. So here 180, 180 all cancel this side. Okay. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2. Finish. Okay. Okay, now this is a 4-mark question. Okay. Any doubt? Hello. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Okay, so then copy it. Then we'll see next. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's a 4-mark question because the idea is hello, Pranav. Okay, you can go. Okay, Vidya. Okay, so I'll send you the video. So no problem. Okay. Okay, Pranav, listen here. Pranav, you didn't get no. Hello, you got this one? You got? Okay. So the how many got here? Only very few. So its idea is important thing, not steps. Maybe if you're writing Lokidashan, you asking me how to do this with a long method. Why you want long method? Everyone want a short method, you know. Right? Okay, that I'll Lavanya, listen here. That I'll explain to you. Okay, I don't want to okay, you write big story. Okay. My dear, it's not a 4 marks or 2 marks or 6 marks, not based on the steps, based on the what you're writing, the content, the steps. Okay. If you're writing, do you think you're writing 1 page, you'll get a 4 marks? No. This is the actual. You have to write it with the proper reasons. Okay. Now, Lavanya, listen here. Angle 1 and angle 2 already given here. Correct? Lavanya, come on. Angle 1 and angle 2 already there. 4 is here. This is a linear pair. So you can write angle A. You can make it a big story. Angle ABC 180. You can write angle 4 plus angle ABC 180 degree. Listen. Angle ABC plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Linear pairs. Therefore, angle ABC 180 minus angle 4. Okay. Similarly, angle ADC 180 minus angle 3. Linear pairs. And we know that in a quadrilateral, sum of the angle is 360 degree. Angle 2 plus 180 minus angle 4 plus 1 plus 180 minus angle 3 equal 360. 180, 180, this side 360, this side 360, cancel it. So keep it 1 and 2 here, minus 4, minus 3 going other side, then 3 plus 4. Is it okay now? Okay. And don't think if you're writing a big this question, make it 3 pages, you'll get a mark. No, it's a content, the points. Okay. Okay. So finished now. Next question. In figure, next question, right? In figure, in figure, in figure, two lines AB and CD. Two lines AB and CD in figure AB and CD, AB and CD, AB and CD intersect each other at the point E. This point is E. Okay. Find the value of X and Y. Find the value of X and Y. Find the value of X and Y. Okay. Find the value of X and Y. Okay, try now. Find the value of X and Y. Question again. Listen, I'll read the question again. In figure, listen, in figure, two lines, in figure, two lines, AB and CD intersect each other at the point E. Find the value of X, Y, Z. Okay, this is 2x, 60x, 5y, z. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Okay. And this is what? X equal to 40. X equal to 40. Y equal to 16. 1, 6. Z equal to 100. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. Look at here. Come on. Look. CD is a line. Just listen here. CD is a line. So that means 2x plus 60 plus x equal to 180. Right or no? This is a straight line. So 3x equal to 120. X equal to 40. You got x equal to 40. Okay. So that means now this is clear now. Then angle AOC, AEC, AEC equal to DEB, vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. So 2x is 80, 80 equal to 5y. So we got y, how much? 16. Y equal to 16. Now, AB is a straight line. 2x plus z equal to 180. 2x is 80. 80 plus z equal to 180. Z equal to 100. Okay, finish it first. Z equal to 100. Okay, I hope finish all. Okay, whether you did linear pair or anything else, but you got or not. Okay. Okay, Z is okay. Z is vertically opposite angle of AED, right? I mean AED, right? Okay, then okay, no problem. That doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So next question. Right. In figure. Hello. Next question. In figure. Are you okay now? Finish or not? Is it okay all? Okay. In figure. Next question. In figure. If PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. In figure PQ parallel to RS. In figure PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. Okay. This is 27. Find the value of M. This angle we have to find out. Find the value of PQRST. Okay. PQ, this angle, this is parallel here. Here 43, 27. Find the value of M. Okay, find first. Okay, you got it? Okay, finish. This angle, look at here. This is 43. Why? Alternate angles. Sad, you heard about alternate angles? These lines are parallel. Then this angle equal to this angle. This is called alternate angles. And some guys, yesterday's question here. I don't know what base is telling. This angle and this angle alternate angles. How come? Okay. Okay, now 2743. How much? 2743. So this angle how much? 27 plus 43. How much? It is. How much that? 130. I don't know. Check it now. It is 110 now, right? 70. So this is 110. Okay. So next question. Okay. In figure. Next question. In figure. In figure. In figure. AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. Okay. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay, try. AB parallel to CD. This angle 110. This is 3x minus 20. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay, finish. How much? X equal to how much? X equal to 30. Okay. Issue. Okay. Yeah, net issues problem. Okay. X equal to 30, not 60. Look at here. How we did. This this also 3x minus 20. Corresponding angles, right? This one 3x minus 20. This is also 3x minus 20 corresponding angles. Then 110 plus 3x minus 20 equal to 180. So 3x equal to 180 plus 20 minus 110. How much that? 200 minus 110. How much? 200 minus 110, 90. So x equal to 30. X equal to 30. You x equal to 30. So then what? 70, 110 what? We want x only, they're asking you. Okay, for now. Okay. You can use any other method, but x will get what? 30 degree. Okay. So next, finish. Correct it now. And this one just like a revision question. Okay. Based on your performance in the test, I'm doing again. Okay. So finish now. Next question, right? So next one, are you okay now? Right. In figure, next one. In figure, PQ parallel ST. Maybe we did this one. PQ parallel to ST. Okay, PQ parallel to ST. PQ R S T. This is parallel here. Okay. This is 120. Here is 140. Find angle QRS. This angle we have to find out. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. I know we did. I know. I told you, revision questions, because based on your performance in test, I'm doing extra question again. Okay. Find QRS. Question. Hey, question only here. Listen. PQ parallel to ST. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Top of the board. Why? I can see the top. I can see the board. What about you? You can see the board, right? No? Hey, you can't see the board. Why? I can see from here. I can see the board. Okay. Now, okay. Top PQST. PQRST. Okay. The same question we did here. Anyway, try now. You got to find it. Yes, it is 80. Okay, try, but wait. Let's finish all. Okay, look at here. If not getting the newcomers, listen here. Let's all, you can check your notebook. You can do one thing. One method, you just cross it here. Here we can got X. Okay. So this angle 40. Extend PQ to. Okay. So this is 40 because it is a co-Indian angle. This is 40. Okay. This is 60. So we can find out this one. Okay. But we did that time we did another method. You remember or not? We did like this. We joined here. This is 120. This is also 120. This is 140. So here 40. Here is 80. Like that we did. Okay. So anyway, you can do it. Okay. So next question. Right. Yeah, that's no problem. Okay, we did already this one. Okay. Right. In figure, this also we did just a revision. In figure, BA parallel to ED. In figure, BA parallel to ED. In figure, BA in figure BA parallel to ED. BA BA parallel to ED. Okay, BA parallel to ED. Then BC parallel to EF. This is parallel to this one. Show that angle ABC. Show that angle ABC. Show that angle ABC equal to angle DEF. Show that angle ABC. Show that angle ABC. This line parallel here, this parallel here. Show that ABC. This angle equal to angle DEF. DEF. Okay. Show that Priyansh. I told you, this all we discussed question today, revision only. Okay, because you performed very bad in test. Why you didn't hear it? Asma, what is your problem? Everyone can hear. You heard the question, rest all. Hello, except Asma. You got the question? Yeah, okay. So figure is here. Everything is here. Look. DE parallel to AB. BC parallel to EF. Show that angle B equal to angle E. That's only. Angle B equal to angle E. Okay, you got? You all got this? Okay, very simple. We did already. Look at here. You just join here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Number 1, corresponding angles. Then angle 2 equal to angle 3. Number 2, corresponding angles. Therefore, 1 equal to 3. Right? Correct or no? Logidasha, check your book. You prepare for your test, right? I'm not going to explain this one. Logidasha, listen. You prepare for the test. Did you see this type question in your notebook? Anyone can find the question number? Anyone can find the question number? Question number 30. Okay, question number 30. Logidasha. Logidasha. Check your book. Open your book. There you can see question number 30. Maybe some cockroach will settle there. Okay. You have no connection with your notebook also. This guy only asking, I need a longer method. Come on. Hey, one question. That angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. He is saying, I need a longer method. This is not my standard. He need a longer method. First of all, you familiar with your notebook. Okay, question number 30 in your book. He want a longer method. No, he don't want easy method. Longer way. Okay. You go to 1 kilometer, he'll go to 10 kilometers and come back like that. Why he want longer method? Okay, so this one finished now. Okay, it's a very easy. 1 equal to 2. Correspond because the newcomers only explain this one. 1 equal to 2 corresponding angles. 2 equal to 3 corresponding angles. So 1 equal to 3. There was another question after this one. 1 plus 3 equal to 180 also. Okay, I'm not doing now this one. Okay, next question. Okay, longer guy, come on. Longer method guy, you got it? Okay. Longer log version. Okay. So look at here now. Next question. So next one. A, B, okay. Prove that AB parallel to EF. Prove that question is given AB in figure. Prove that AB parallel to EF. AB parallel to EF. This is 145. Prove that AB parallel to EF. Prove that AB parallel to EF. Okay, prove that AB parallel to EF. Okay, so finish first. Anybody got? Look at here. AB. Okay. Come on. Everything is here now, right? Okay. How much this one? 57, right? This is 57. This is also 57. So alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. AB parallel to CD. Finished. You write angle BAC 57. Angle ACD 57. So since the alternate angles are equal, the lines are parallel. Okay. Finish that. Okay, so next question. Right. In figure, are you okay now? In figure, L is a transversal to the line. In figure, next question. In figure, AB parallel to EF. Okay, AB parallel. Okay, AB parallel. Okay, agreed. This line parallel here. AB parallel to CD. Alternate angles. And 35, 145, 180. So CD parallel to EF. Correct or not? First, if you want, you can say first angle FEC plus ECD 180, co-interior angles. Hence, this line parallel. Now this is parallel. AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF. So what do you find out? Is it okay now? AB parallel to EF, right? Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. So next one, right? In figure, L is a transversal. In figure, L is a transversal. In figure, L is a transversal. L is a transversal. M here, M here. L is a transversal to the lines M and N. To the lines M and N, such that angle 160. Angle 160. This is 160. 60 degree. Angle 2 here. Angle 1 equal to 60. Angle 2 equal to 2/3 of 90 degree. 2/3 of right angle. 2/3 of right angle. 2/3 of right angle. 2/3 of right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Prove that M parallel to N. 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 Question again. Listen. Okay, I'm reading again. Others. In figure, L is a transversal. In figure, L is a transversal to the lines M and N such that angle 1 equal to 60. Angle 1 equal to 60. Angle 1 equal to 60. And angle 2 equal to 2/3 of right angle. Angle 2 equal to 2/3 of right angle. Prove that M parallel to N. Prove that M parallel to N. Prove that M parallel to N. Okay, try now. Yes, 2/3 of 90 means 60. Okay, correct. Okay. Okay, so now look at here. This is 60. 2/3 of 90, 60. This is also 60. So angle 1 and this is 60. Lines are parallel. Why? Corresponding angles. Okay, next question, right? Right. In figure, next one. In figure, AB parallel CD. In figure, AB parallel CD. In figure, AB parallel CD. Angle ABE 130. Angle ABE 130. Angle ABE, okay, ABE 130. This is 130. Okay. Angle CDE 170. CDE 170. Find angle BED. Find angle BED. Find angle BED. Once again, in figure, AB parallel CD. Angle ABE 130. This angle 130, this 170. Show that angle BED. This angle we have to find out. Do it now. Okay. It's not one. I don't think it is. Yeah, maybe let us see. We can check it. Okay. Sham, there's a question already here. AB parallel to CD. This line, figure enough. No, this is parallel CD. AB parallel CD. Angle ABE 130. CDE 170. Find angle BED. Okay. Find angle BED. Okay. You got? Okay, look at here. If not getting, listen. You join, draw a line parallel here like this. Now this is all parallel. Here is 50. Okay, 130 plus 50. Here 10. So answer what? 60 degree. Okay. Okay. So next question. Okay. Next one. Finish all. Okay. 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 I'll wait. Okay. So Dinesh, finish. Okay. Next one, right? In figure, AB parallel CD. In figure, AB parallel CD. In figure AB parallel CD. A B C D P Q R. This is 40 Y X 118. Okay, try now. 40 Y. Find the value of X and Y. Find the value of X and Y. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Angle APQ 40. PRD. PRD 118. Find X and Y. Find X and Y. Okay, finish. Okay, here, look at here. 40 plus Y equal to 118. So Y how much? How much Y? 70? 78. Yeah, 78. This is alternate angles. So this one 78, this one 40. Finish. Okay. Okay, so finish. In figure, okay, in figure A, B, C, D. Here P, Q, R. This is 50, Y, X. Here 125. Okay, find Y minus X. Find Y minus X. Find Y minus X. Find Y minus X. Why, Ahmad, you want to go now? Ahmad, you want to go now? Your school still, your school closed already, right? Not just ask, man. Okay, finish. So here, X, no, it is Y minus X, not 20. Y minus X, not 20. Okay, finish all. Minus 25. How come? Yes, it is 25. How? This angle we get what? Why? How much you got? 125 minus 50. How much? 75. This is 50. So equal to 25 degree. Okay, this is enough today. So look at here. Monday at 2 o'clock. Same all together. Okay, now Monday we'll finish this chapter all together. Same timing. That will be 2 to 3:45. 2 to 3. Correct? No? 2 o'clock. 2 2 to 3:45. Then Tuesday onwards only new batch starting. That means the batch starting new batch starting from Tuesday with the batch B students. Okay. Don't ask me any further questions. Okay, when start and okay. Clear now, everybody? Okay.